Hello there, welcome again to yet another unboxing video by BikeBrewers. This is my co-bike brewer Adnan. You've never seen him in real life, this is the first time. Adnan, welcome.
Thank you, Ron. Pleasure.
What we have here today is a box from our new best friends at Sa1nt. Now, Sa1nt is an Australian company, I think. They come from Australia?
Yeah, Australian company based out of Melbourne.
And, good. Well, what is their heritage? Where they come from?
There's a mixed heritage there for surfers, motorcycle enthusiasts, and whatnot. Basically, cool people like us, Ron.
Yeah, cool people like us. Okay, so they sent us a box of goodies. So I say knives out, and up to you, the honor to open the box and see what's inside. And
all right, who doesn't love an unboxing video? So we got a message from Sa1nt saying that they wanted to send us a bunch of their premium equipment for us to test. So that's what we're gonna do here today. We don't know exactly what's in the box. We have an idea, but
it's always like nice to have surprises.
It's always like Christmas, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So no difficult boxes this time with zippers and stuff, old-fashioned way. Okay, so what do we have?
Okay, so from the top what I can see is what looks to be like two trucker or baseball caps. These look like...
Okay, so I guess you have to get rid of yours. I'm not big on caps, but for this occasion I'll wear it. Snapback.
See, my head was designed for caps, Ron. I got rid of all my hair for that purpose.
Nice cap. Maybe you can walk up to the camera a little bit and show the inside of the cap and the details.
Yeah, sure,
just hold it up to the camera, not too close, and hold it still so it can focus. Sa1nt, I like the inside. That's nice. It's a lined inside, so it's a very luxurious cap, I say.
All right. It's a bit too small still. You have to.
Is it too small? My eyes go up like this.
Yeah.
Make it bigger.
I got a big old head. Let's see. Usually this is my size. So
okay.
Like a glove.
Okay. Better. Yeah, you have more of a head.
No worries, Ron.
Cap head than I have.
I'll take care of that one. Thank you.
Give me that. All right. Now, what else do we have in there?
Okay, let's take a look.
I really hope they have the sizes right. Medium.
I'll lose weight. Okay, I'll lose weight. Usually I'm an extra large.
Okay,
in some countries, a double extra large.
Okay. So what do we have here?
The first one is a black Sa1nt T-shirt. It's in the size medium, Ron. So I'm just gonna assume this one.
That's more like me, right?
Is yours.
Okay.
So what are some of the features that we're seeing on this T-shirt? First of all, the material is really comfortable, right? It feels like some high quality cotton they've used here.
Definitely.
And what I like the most is this very subtle Sa1nt logo here with the number 1 in the wing, which is iconic for Sa1nt. This is their trademark.
Can you show it up at the camera?
Absolutely.
This is your role for today.
All right.
So you model it, and I'll talk about it, and you do the technical description. Good. Enough of that.
All right.
Come here.
T-shirt one.
T-shirt number 1.
What else? Next. As the saying goes, and another one, right? So
keep putting this back in here. Throw it away. We'll take care of it in the proper way.
Actually, this might be a good moment to say that we process all our waste in an environmentally friendly way.
Absolutely.
We recycle what needs to be recycled, and everything else gets tossed in the bin. All right. We're not going to say that out loud, okay?
That's another medium.
Another medium. All right.
There's nothing in the box for you there.
I'm just going to ignore that, okay?
You have a cap.
I do that all the time, ignoring Ron. No, Sa1nt. This is another made out of the same material, it seems, and it has a nice print on it saying Sa1nt. You could wear this probably anytime, going out or going shopping or going for a ride. Doesn't matter. You can wear this whole.
Go up to the camera. This was your role for today. Why do I have to keep directing you? So keep it still so the camera can focus. I think the next video I'll do myself again. You know, come here. All right. Next one.
You know what, Ron?
There's really nothing in there for you.
You know what, Ron? I'm a very patient man, and I'm practicing my patience right now. Just so you know.
Go into the Zen mode.
Yeah. So
you have a Zen bike, right? We should get the bike in here. You know, what bike did you bring today?
I brought my Royal Enfield Classic.
I call that a Zen bike. You know, it's you get on the bike and it goes plockety plockety plock. You know, that's how you ride the bike.
Yeah. Next time a video on the Royal Enfield. But
next time.
What I have in my hand here is a beautiful black jeans, and this is actually the item we want to be talking about today. Really, this is the one that we've been eyeballing for a long period of time. This is the Sa1nt Unbreakable denim, right? It has no liners, no layers. It's tough as nails because of their
was it Dynema?
Dynema technology.
Is it pronounced right? I think it's Dynema.
Dynema. We're Dutch. We can say Dynema. Probably in other parts of the world they'll pronounce it slightly different. But what I like about these jeans, from what I've read and from what I can see right now, is that they're a bit stretchy.
Yeah.
They're flexible. They're light. They feel like regular jeans.
So talking about regular. So what is this? So this is the slim version.
Yeah, this is the slim fit.
Okay.
Dynema. I think we've pronounced it right, by the way.
You know, there's some Dutch details in there.
Yeah, there is.
There you go. You know, we have orange, very Dutch.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
So that's for our viewers. Orange is the national color in the Netherlands.
So you want to show some of the details?
So let's. Microfoon.
Yeah.
Right, so these jeans, they are in black and they have orange material on the inside, which is a nice detail. You can find the orange back in some of the stitching on the rear pocket and on the label as well. It's just a small detail that just makes it pop. It's a classic 5-pocket jean with a zipper and a knot here at the front. Feels incredibly light.
Knob? That's a button.
Button.
I like the button with the little wing on there.
That's another detail, right? Let's see if we can get that on.
I think I'll wear them inside out because I really like the orange. You know, there should be more orange on the outside. Fits the Laverda.
Laverda. We learned that today. Laverda.
Okay.
All right.
Now,
good.
Put the mic back on.
All right, so Unbreakable jeans. We're going to review these extensively, by the way, because this is the #1 item from Sa1nt. This is what they're banking on. This is what they want to promote around the world. And this is the jean that we think a lot of motorcycle enthusiasts like us will be wearing. And the reason being is that it's super practical. It's tough. It's supposed to be unbreakable, hence the name Sa1nt Unbreakable, right? And I'm really looking forward to trying a pair of these, but Ron will have the honor.
You'll have to wait.
There you go, Ron.
Thanks. Okay, now.
Okay,
next up.
This looks a little bit more up my alley. I know that because it says extra large. Okay, let's open this up. Patiently. I know you're getting impatient there. Yeah, I don't have anger issues.
No comment. I do have anger issues.
All right, this is...
I fight my hormones all the time. Whoa, that's a big shirt, man.
I'm a big old boy, huh?
I like it, though.
This is a jersey, right? This is one of those dirt bike jerseys or hockey jerseys. You wear this over your protective gear if you wear them. And this just... When I look at this, it says MC Motocross. I think that's what they had in their mind when they designed this motocross.
Nice.
It's
you can see through it. You know, it's see-through. There's holes in it.
It's see-through, nice. And it's designed to offer a maximum ventilation. Obviously, when you're riding in the dirt on a dirt bike, it gets really hot. It's a real workout, and wearing something over your protective layer like this might be the thing to help you cool down. And
hey man,
it looks the business.
I think it's a cool shirt. Even he looks cool in it.
Great. All right.
Next one.
Let's carry on.
You don't have to fold it. Just put it there.
All right. Next. All right. A white tee.
You're not going to take the white tee dirt biking. Your wife is not going to be very happy with you.
I'm a sophisticated man.
You don't fall over on the dirt bike.
I wash my own laundry, Ron. I wash my own laundry. This is
right.
I think this is the exact same material as the other black T-shirt that we've seen from Sa1nt. White with the black print.
Cool.
Looks incredibly good. This isn't motorcycle gear per se. You could wear this whenever you like, you know, on any occasion.
There's no protection in there. So
No. This is a
just to look
T-shirt.
good. Just to look good.
And to
and you will.
To wear the brand.
Sir, you
obviously.
will. Okay.
All right. Next bit.
What did you do to these guys? You have
XL
two t-shirts, a cap, and there's more stuff in there for you.
Let's just wait patiently.
I thought it was all for me.
Let's just wait patiently. Ron, this is not a good time to be jealous. Let's. No, you could wear one. You could wear one as
well. Maybe you should let your wife wash them, and then when they shrink, I can have them.
No, I bet these don't shrink, Ron. From what I can say, from what I can feel here.
Yeah.
Another same like the white one, black with the white print with the Sa1nt logo on. Really, really cool. I'm really looking forward to wearing this. I mean that.
Now, the grand finale. This is the last piece.
Can we edit some classical music in this bit when we?
Maybe we should. Maybe we should edit in a drum roll. We'll edit in a drum roll. So,
okay.
Drum roll.
It's such a beautiful bag.
Ooh, very nice. You're having your checkered day today.
I am.
I think you should. Yeah, this is very
okay.
cool.
So before I turn this around, I gotta say that I love this already. This is a checkered flannel jacket. It's a ridewear from Sa1nt, and it's also labeled Unbreakable, meaning that it can be used on a motorcycle.
What is the stuff they put? What was it again that they put in there?
Aramid. Yeah, aramid.
Aramid.
So on the inside, it looks like a motorcycle jacket. It has.
Let me go with you. Hang on. Let's go up here. Not too close. Yeah.
So on the inside,
look,
there is room for a back protector, and I bet you that there is also room for shoulder and elbow.
Yes,
protection.
there is. Yes, there is. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, you can see it.
So this flannel jacket, a couple of features. Let's go back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's okay. Here, look at this.
Yeah, this is a motorcycle jacket, 100% undeniably. So I have extra sets of protective D30 protectors that I can put in here. That's what it was designed for.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's for the elbow.
And for the shoulders as well.
You have the shoulders. It's all Velcro. Easy to put in and to take out. And then finally you have it in the back protector.
Yep.
As we showed, let me show it on the camera.
Back protector.
Whoa.
Well, we need to put that in. So, just a couple of features, because just like the
try it on
jeans,
I think you have to try it on, man.
I will.
Now.
Will.
Put it on.
Okay, here goes.
Incredible, this guy. You know, you take him shopping and he just looks at it. There you go.
Okay, so this
fits like a glove.
Fits like a glove. It's exactly how it should be. So, what I wanted to do, Ron, is talk about a couple of the features of this jacket. Now, you may look at this and see, hey, you know what? I've seen this before. This looks familiar. As a matter of fact, it does. Flannel shirts and flannel jackets have been incredibly popular in the chopper culture of the 70s. And what we're seeing now is a revival of that. People are starting to dig them again. I definitely do. Always been a big fan. And it has these cool pockets in the front that have their own buttons with
snap-on buttons.
Snap-on buttons with the Sa1nt logo on it.
Okay.
There is room.
Cool details. Oh, you can put your phone in there?
Well, if you want to, your wallet or your phone. So there's a room for that. It has a zipper and buttons as well. Yeah, I really like this. The fabric feels so soft. And it's probably one of those items that I could wear every day on the bike.
Good.
Really.
Well, you should. You know, the weather is improving, so I think we'll look good. So I'll wear the pants. You can have the jacket, and yeah, we'll be taking this out on the road on the next few weeks.
Yeah, we'll be testing.
As usual, we will give it some proper testing and come back to you and tell you honestly if it is really as good as it looks. But for now, I think it's.
You know what, Ron? I don't like making false statements or anything like that. But
it's all being recorded, so
yeah.
anything you said will be held against you.
No, but I genuinely mean that this. I do think that this is some quality stuff. That's what it looks like. The stitches are just perfect. The material feels incredible.
Hey, listen, Sa1nt isn't as with the Naka helmets we did a couple of weeks ago. Those are not the cheapest ones on the market. You can probably get stuff which is cheaper than what you get with Sa1nts.
Yeah.
But really, what I've seen right now so far, the quality is really good. So well, it's a matter of choice.
Yeah, we'll be commenting on the quality in the weeks to come. But from what it looks now, from the way it looks right now, I think we have a winner here.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I think that's a nice ending. We have a winner here. Thank you, guys. First video together with Adnan. Let's give a hand to Adnan. See you soon. And don't forget to subscribe if you like what we're doing. We need your support, so subscribe to our channel. Look at our website. Tell everybody to become a community member, to subscribing to our newsletter. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. Well, we're not big on Twitter yet.
All socials, basically.
All socials and all the business platform. LinkedIn. We're on LinkedIn as well. So follow us, support us. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, take care.